Today, the US dollar index dropped to the lowest level in the last 3 weeks and tested the support level of 105.30 points. It may close the week with a 1% decline, and the US dollar started falling because of the comments provided by the Fed chair. On a Wednesday, Jerome Powell almost excluded the possibility of a new key rate hike. However, they pinpointed that the final decision would depend on the macroeconomic data, and at this light, the US dollar stagnated until the publication of the US non-farm payrolls. To trade profitably, it's essential to monitor macroeconomic news and understand its influence on assets. You are watching a trader's calendar. A new trading week will start with the publication of the Chinese PMI. The world's second-largest economy has been trying to recover its trading position in the global arena for more than a year. Beijing is primarily focused on the production sector, which serves as the main driver of the Chinese economy. However, most analysts suppose that China should shift its attention to consumer demand. According to the forecast, business activity in the services sector will hardly reach 52.7 points recorded in March. On the contrary, it may slide to 52.2 points. That's why the national currencies of Australia and New Zealand, which act as a liquid proxy for the yuan, may drop or stay at their current levels in the best-case scenario. This day, Germany will also issue its services PMI figures. The indicator may jump to 53.3 points from a 50.1 points seen in March. The euro may surge amid the data. The Eurozone will disclose its PMI figures just 5 minutes later. Thus, business activity in the services sector of the euro area may climb by 1.5%. Given that in March the number of new orders surged at the fastest pace since May 2023, the local economy may show a great performance. In the event of this, the euro will have every reason to resist sell-offs and rise against the greenback. On May 7, traders will learn about the key rate decision taken by the Reserve Bank of Australia. According to this data, business activity growth was capped by the services sector. Meanwhile, industrial production was falling. Nevertheless, inflation dropped. Strong confidence in the production sector offset lower optimism in the services sector. Since the price pressure is becoming lower, the Australian regulator is likely to keep the benchmark rate unchanged. If the predictions come true, the Australian dollar as well as the New Zealand dollar will remain neutral or start losing value. We will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports, subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.